In today's video, I'm going to cover 11 really cool features that you need to know about your Tesla, and I'm starting right now with the first feature being Come to Me. So here on your app, my car is over there and you can click on Come to Me, and as you can see right now, the car is literally coming right to me. And no one is inside of the car as well. So this is great whenever you're out in parking lots, if it's raining especially. I love to use this whenever it is raining. And now you see that the car has literally stopped. Oh, wow. And it gave an applause too. I didn't know that was going to happen. That is amazing. So that's one of the first features that I'm going to cover here on the video today. So stay tuned. And one feature that people sleep on a lot whenever it comes to your Tesla, we're talking about the voice command features that's inside of your car. Yes, your car can do a lot of different things, but you can control a lot of what the car can do using the voice command features. So what you want to do is press the right scroll wheel, turn off the fan. And you see the fan turned off. I know it was very loud. I did that for demonstration purposes. But you can do different things like turn on the fan. Now the fan is turning on. Look at the temperature here. I'm going to do one more. Set the temperature to 74 degrees. And there you have it. And another really cool feature that you're going to love about your Tesla will be the built-in arcade system. So you have different games and things that you can do on your car, especially just say if you're charging or you're sitting in a parking lot and you just have extra time and you just want to just like play a game. So this is really cool. So this is solitary, but you have so many games here on your Tesla. And not only do you have the games, you also have Tesla Theater. Now, I drove another smart car the other day just as a test drive, and this is something that they were lacking as well. You can see here, I'm not going to call them all out to you because you can see, but in the likes of YouTube, TikTok, Netflix, and this is cool because now you can look at some of your favorite YouTubers and get your Tesla tips right from the comfort of your cabin. So be sure that you subscribe to the channel for more Tesla updates. And this next feature is really cool, and a Tesla wouldn't be a Tesla without it, and I am talking about Tesla's Autopilot. All Tesla models are equipped with a driver assistance system called Autopilot, where it will keep your car centered in its lane. It will go faster and slower based off of traffic. Now, some people may say, well, other cars have this feature as well, but it's not the same. I mean, literally your car will take control. Other cars, it jump in and out. I mean, I did test drives on them and I haven't found one as efficient as Tesla. And Tesla's full self-driving, known as FSD system, enables the vehicle to navigate complex urban environments, including stopping at stop signs, changing lanes, traffic lights, with minimum driver intervention. They actually have it now. As long as you're looking straight, you don't even have to touch the wheel. And you also get advanced features, and you do still receive continuous updates, so your FSD is still getting better over time. Now, you're also going to love the storage that you have on your Tesla. Teslas are known for the amount of storage, like a Tesla and other EVs as well. Up front, since you don't have an engine, you have what you call a Frunk. And the Frunk is good for like a carry-on suitcase. And the cool thing about a Tesla Frunk is that it's completely isolated from the cabin. So if you put some food in here, whenever I like to go out to the store and get some fresh fish, I don't have to worry about all of that smell getting back into the cabin because it's isolated from the rest of the car. So this is another really cool feature that you want to know. Now, this next feature involves you controlling your car only with your phone. And I'm not talking about the app yet. I'm talking about Siri. So watch this. Hey, Siri, blow the horn on my Tesla. Yes. So this is great because it can do other features as well. And I made a video all about that right here. So be sure you check it out after you watch this video, of course. So let's go on and get to the next feature. Now, I purchased my Model Y about 2 years ago, and I can tell you right now that this car is better now than it was the day when I bought it. And all of this is possible using the over-the-air software updates that come with your Tesla, meaning that your car is constantly getting better. It's upgrading over time, and they will be able to add new features onto your car, making it so sweet. A lot of times whenever you hear about, like, hey, a car has a recall, typically people with stress have to take the car back in. Tesla, a lot of their recalls, I mean 99.9% of the recalls that I have received since owning this car has been taken care of using over-the-air software updates. And not only can your Tesla park inside of a regular parking spot, it can also parallel park as well. Now, this is just for convenience. Somebody always leave in the comment section saying, hey, if you don't know how to drive, why drive? I mean, you can walk, but you still drive too, right? Because getting to point A to point B by driving is more convenient than walking like 100 miles, right? So all of this is based off of the convenience of the car. And this really cool feature about your Tesla is on your phone, and I'm talking about the Tesla app right here. You can see you can control various aspects of your Tesla, including your climate control, your location. You can share addresses right to the car, so you don't have to get in and type it in. You have your summon features. You have quick controls up at the top, by the way. Your charge features, your security. You can talk to your car. You can do so much using the app here on your phone. And I did an extensive video, the best video on YouTube, for real. And that's just not my opinion. And be sure you check it out right there, because your app can do so much and you don't want to miss it. And I will see you in that video.